ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and tonight is going to be our first half of the homework for Wednesday, February 21st. And I'm going to do number 5 right now, and I'm going to release problems 6 and 7 hopefully within the next 24 hours. I'm going to release it as soon as I possibly can, all right? And I would love to tell you that this had something to do with aliens and tater tots. Honestly, I just ran out of time, y'all. So I'm working on it, but here is number 5. And so again, this is part 1 for Wednesday, February 21st. So here we go. We're looking at composite shapes, and here we have something that looks like the layout for an apartment building. What we have here, though, are really 2 rectangles sitting next to each other. Let's see. And thank you all one more time for joining us tonight. I'm really glad about that. Thank you all for joining me. All right, here we go. Again, 2 rectangles, and our strategy is going to be to split the shape. Now, we have all of the measurements we need. We have 12, 4.5, 2, and 5. Here's the 2 pieces. We're going to split the shape. Here's our first rectangle. Here's our second rectangle. So now I'm going to draw an imaginary line right here, and see that blue? That's where I'm going to split my rectangles in half. Now let's move them apart. We have 2 rectangles, one big one, one small one. And if we look, we already have all our measurements we need. So steps 1 and 2 are taken care of. All right, so let's look at our toolbox. The only formula we need is the one for our rectangle. We're going to use it twice, okay? So the area for a rectangle is A times B, or length times width. And so here we go. We have A times B plus A times B. If we add them both up, we're going to get our total area. So let's work through the first one. A times B. 12 times 4.5 is going to be 54. That's our area for the first rectangle. Now, if we look at the second rectangle, that's 2 times 5. So here's A times B, 2 times 5, 10. And we've used our formulas. Now it's time to add our results together. So 54 plus 10 is 64 centimeters squared. And I didn't forget my units this time. This is all there is to it for that first shape for number 5. All right, 64 centimeters squared. And that's it. For number 5, that's the answer. I'm working on numbers 6 and 7 as we speak. And you guys go ahead, make sure you write everything down. Take your time, work through this one. And that's it for right now. Part 1 is done. I will talk to you guys as soon as humanly possible. All right? Y'all take care. Thank you.